What's up, YouTube world? These images are AI generated. Let's go see if we can bead roll these. Stick around. We're gonna do some bead rolling in this video. Let's get after it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to RTILLERY'S Fab, an off-road shop, and maybe a little decoration building. I don't know. That's what this one's about. Anyway, I'm Robert. I'm back in the shop. I just wanted to throw a quick video together. I saw this on YouTube, and I've been wanting to learn more about bead rolling. I want to try bead rolling some kind of images. So what I'm thinking, I'm going to try to do this for my wife and my daughter. So here's my daughter's one I found, and my wife's one that I found online. I'm just going to try to hand draw these images so we could bead roll it. I already got my sheet metal cut, and I got a 2-inch perimeter around the side because I'll probably put this on some metal to make it like a picture. So if you guys want to check it out, I'm just kind of draw on here and see what we come up with. See if I could even draw this good. Something like that. It come together when it's bead rolled. Something like that. So let's bead roll. I'll start out pretty slow. I'll start out with the heart. Maybe we should work our way in. Start out right here. We'll work our way out. Start with a little pressure and see how it goes. out all right, guys. Remember, I'm not by no means an expert at bead rolling, but not bad. There's our box, our frame. Anyway, I need to tack this up and start squaring it up as best I can. You guys are on the welding side of the table, so I need to move you.
The next day.
Show you guys exactly what I'm doing. I'll put a picture on the screen exactly what I'm trying to copy right now. So I just need my phone, and we're gonna kind of trace this out. And we're gonna bead roll it. Something like that, guys. Something like that. Anyway, I'm gonna switch the dies on this because I really want to try a different style of die. That was pretty difficult. Man, I really need to get figure out some other dies for that. I don't know. Came out all right. Again, all right. I really need to get a metal shrinker too. Would help a lot. A metal shrinker. Keep it from oil canning. But that's good enough for right now. We're learning. This is a new trade for me, bead rolling. I like the looks of it. Now I can do straight stuff pretty good. But this curves and everything, flipping and flop, flop, flop. I don't know. It's a little crazy. So I'm just going to trim this off to match both sides.
Much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Well, it's done. Here you go. Not bad. Hopefully getting a little bit better. But anyway, that's what I have for bead rolling right now. I'm excited to learn more on that handy dandy fun tool. But anyway, thank you. Like, subscribe, all that YouTube fabulous stuff that everybody asks you to do. And remember, life's short, just floor it. Peace.